Hi, today we are going to see the topic from SQL Plus, that is formatting the SQL Plus reports. Through the SQL Plus column command, we can change the column headings and reformat the column data in our query results. When displaying the column headings, we can either use the default heading or we can change it by using the column command. How we are going to do that, we will see now. Normally, see here the column heading is displayed as EMB number, ename and sal. Here this column heading we have got from the table structure. We have already created the table name with the EMP with the name EMP, and it has got the columns EMP number, ename and sal. Normally while creating the table we will have the column names only the shorter names, not the lengthier one, in order to save the space. Salary means sal, description means DESC, employee name means ename, like that only we will do. But while generating the reports or seeing the query results, it should not be like that. We should have the proper column headings. How can we change that? I will show you now. I have typed some other thing, that is why it showed 2 to 3 lines. Now column, I have changed the column heading sal to salary. Now we will see the result. See, it has got changed now. Now if you want to change that column heading salary into much more meaningful one, we can change it. But here it shows some error. Unknown column option salary. Why means we have given two words. If it is one word, it will accept it. If it is two words, monthly salary. So we need to give it in quotes. See, now there is no error. Now column heading has got changed to monthly salary. This is the way you should change the column heading. And you may ask one question, whether this column heading will be permanently displayed. For your information, it won't be permanently stored anywhere. It won't be getting displayed permanently. That means when you log in next time, you will see the same old column heading only. You cannot see this monthly salary. Okay, it will be a reset. And we are having the column heading with two or more words. I've already told you need to enclose it within the single or double quotation marks. Okay, but if you want to display the column headings more than one line, we need to go for the pipeline operator, that is the vertical bar. See, now it has got displayed in the next line, monthly salary. Okay, before that how it has got displayed. Now you can see some changes. And you can set the underline character. To change the character used to underline the headings to the equal symbol, we can do that. Here we are having dotted lines. If you want to change it, we can change it. Now it has changed to equal to. Okay. Likewise, we can change the characters. And changing the default display. You can change the displayed width of the data type or date by using this column command. For example, if you are having lengthier names, in India some people will have their caste name or their own native place name, then the name will be too much lengthier. For example, Abdul Khan, Qadari, like that, some 3 to 4 names will come. Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar. You don't want to display that lengthier names, and you can format the names. That means the names will be displayed in the next line. Okay. Format A4 means only 4 characters will be displayed in the first line, and the next rest of the name will be displayed in the next line. See, here Adams means 5 character. Adam has got displayed in the first line, and the S is moved to the second line. Miller means it has got around 6 letters. 4 letters mill is displayed in the first line, and ER moved to the next line. Even you can do the much more look and feel you can get by using this format, but for learning purpose and for showing the example I have taken this. Okay. We will see some more commands in the next video. Thanks. Bye.